Now we have to fire missiles. So, make an empty game object as a parent of all missiles cannon fire. Set it at fire point of cannon. Add box collider but mark as trigger and set it top because we don't want missile after it goes from here. Under this create a sprite which is our missile. Set render layer at 4. Color it and add rigid body drag and gravity set 0. Now create script missiles. Add this library to use Q. We use it for missiles to fire one by one and we need missile prefab. Missile count how many missile we want at a time in our scene. And a delay between two missile to fire and speed of it. If we have missile in queue to launch then dequeue it and set position and set it active. And return it. Else no need to spawn missile. Now when missile reach a last position we need to destroy it. So, enqueue it and set it inactive. When we call this function when it trigger this game object and if tag is missile then destroy it. In update to calculate time just add time.delta time. When it reach it delay set time to 0 and spawn missile add rigid body and give velocity to upward to move upside. Now add this script and assign missile prefab count to 10 and delay and speed. Yo, we done it. It's working fine. Just increase size of trigger. So, thanks for watching. If you need more videos like this, please do subscribe and enjoy gaming. That's it for today. We'll meet you in next part of this. Thanks for watching.